Welcome to Tech Lab by Sid. In this video we are going to discuss CRUD operations. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete, which are the four core operations used in database management and applications that handle persistent data storage. These operations are essential for managing data in various systems, including databases, files, or memory. The create operation allows for the addition of new data, read enables retrieving existing data, update modifies current data, and delete removes data. Together, they provide a fundamental interface for interacting with and maintaining data across different storage systems. Let's go ahead and discuss each of the CRUD operations in detail. The create operation is used to add new data or records into a database or storage system. It's an essential step when introducing new entries, such as adding a new customer, product, or any other data type to a system. For example, in SQL, the create operation is executed with the insert into command. This command allows you to insert new rows into a table by specifying the table name, followed by the columns to populate and their corresponding values. For instance, to add a new user to a database, you would write something like insert into user's username, email, password values sid@example.com, password. This command would insert a new user with the specified details into the users table. Next, the read operation is used to retrieve or view data from a database or data source without altering the original data. This operation is typically employed when you need to query information, such as fetching details of a product, user, or transaction, without making any changes to the dataset. In SQL, the read operation is implemented using the select command, which allows you to query and retrieve specific data from a table based on a set of conditions. For example, to retrieve a list of all users from a database, you would use the query select username, email from users. This command fetches the usernames and emails of all users stored in the users table, allowing you to view the data without modifying it. Next, the update operation is used to modify existing data in a database, which is essential when information needs to be corrected or changed. For example, this operation might be used when a user updates their email address or when the price of an inventory item needs to be adjusted. In SQL, the update operation is performed using the update command. This command allows you to change specific values in existing records by specifying the table name, the columns to update, and the new values. For instance, if you need to update a user's email address, you can use the following SQL query update users set email equals sid@example.com where username equals sid. This will modify the email address for the user with the username sid. Finally, the delete operation is used to remove data or records from a database. This operation becomes necessary when a record is no longer needed or should be removed due to errors or outdated information. In SQL, the delete operation is carried out using the delete command, which removes rows from a table based on a specified condition. For example, if you need to delete a user from the database, you can use the query delete from users where username is equal to sid. This command will remove the user with the username sid from the users table, effectively deleting their record from the database. Importance of CRUD operation. CRUD operations are essential for the simplicity and consistency of data handling in applications. They provide a standardized approach to interact with data, ensuring that applications consistently manage data in a predictable manner. Whether it's for storing, retrieving, modifying, or deleting information, these fundamental operations are at the core of any system that requires persistent storage. In database management, CRUD operations are crucial for interacting with both relational databases and NoSQL databases. They allow seamless data manipulation, ensuring that applications can efficiently manage and update their data as needed. Furthermore, in web and mobile applications, CRUD operations play a vital role in user interactions. For example, they enable users to create records by filling out forms, read and view data, update personal information like profiles, and delete records when necessary. Real-world examples of CRUD operations are common in everyday applications. Create occurs when you sign up for a website, and your user profile is created in the backend database. Similarly, when a new product is added to an e-commerce website, it involves a create operation. Read happens when you browse through products on an online store or view your bank account balance online. In these cases, the data is retrieved without any modification. Update takes place when you change your profile picture or update your contact information on a social media platform, modifying existing data. Finally, delete is evident when you remove a post or delete a comment on a forum, removing specific data from the system. These examples demonstrate how CRUD operations are integrated into various aspects of daily digital interactions. ACID properties play a crucial role in ensuring the integrity of database transactions, especially when performing CRUD operations. Atomicity guarantees that all operations within a transaction are completed successfully or none are, meaning that if one part of the operation fails, the entire transaction is rolled back to maintain consistency. Consistency ensures that the database moves from one valid state to another, preserving the integrity of the data before and after the transaction. Isolation keeps transactions separate from one another, so concurrent transactions do not interfere with each other, preventing issues like data corruption. Lastly, durability ensures that once a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent, even in the event of power failures or system crashes, providing a reliable system for managing data. These ACID properties are fundamental in ensuring that CRUD operations are executed safely and consistently across various systems. To ensure the efficiency, reliability, and security of CRUD operations, several best practices should be followed. Input validation is crucial to ensure that only valid and secure data is entered into the system, protecting against issues like SQL injection. Parameterized queries help prevent SQL injection attacks by using placeholders in SQL statements, ensuring that user input is treated as data and not executable code. Efficient indexing speeds up read operations by indexing frequently queried columns, improving performance when accessing large datasets. Error handling should be implemented to gracefully handle any issues during CRUD operations, ensuring data integrity is maintained even in the event of failures. Lastly, transaction management should be used to group related CRUD operations, ensuring that they execute as a single unit, which preserves the ACID properties of database transactions, such as atomicity and consistency. By following these practices, CRUD operations can be performed securely and efficiently while maintaining the integrity of the system. To optimize CRUD operations and enhance system performance, several strategies can be employed. Batch processing allows you to group multiple operations together, reducing overhead by minimizing the number of database interactions. Caching stores frequently accessed data in memory, helping to reduce the load on the database and speed up access times for commonly requested information. Database indexing improves the speed of queries by creating indexes on frequently queried columns, allowing the system to locate data more efficiently. Denormalization can improve read performance by simplifying database schema, reducing the need for complex joins, and making it easier to fetch data in a single query. Lastly, sharding or partitioning distributes data across multiple databases or servers, increasing scalability and helping to manage large datasets by spreading the load. These strategies help optimize CRUD operations, leading to faster, more efficient data handling and improved overall system performance. In the context of RESTful API, CRUD operations align directly with HTTP methods, making it simple to manage resources over the web. Create corresponds to the HTTP post method, which is used to create new resources. Read maps to the get method, used to retrieve or fetch resources from the server. Update is handled by the put or patch methods, depending on whether you are replacing the entire resource or updating part of it. Finally, delete is represented by the delete method, which removes a resource from the server. The future of CRUD operations and data management is shaped by emerging technologies and innovative approaches, making data handling more efficient, flexible, and scalable. NoSQL databases are gaining popularity for their ability to handle unstructured data, providing flexibility and scalability, especially in applications with diverse and large datasets. Graph databases are becoming increasingly important for managing highly interconnected data using nodes and relationships to efficiently model and query complex networks, such as social media or recommendation systems. Event sourcing is another evolving trend, focusing on capturing events rather than just the current state of data, allowing for better tracking of changes over time. Distributed databases are improving scalability and fault tolerance by spreading data across multiple servers or locations, making systems more resilient and able to handle larger volumes of data. AI and ML integration is streamlining data management by automating tasks like data cleaning, pattern recognition, and decision-making, reducing the manual effort required. Lastly, blockchain is introducing immutable data storage, ensuring that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered, which has significant implications for secure CRUD operations, especially in applications requiring high trust and transparency, such as financial services and supply chains. These trends are pushing the boundaries of traditional data management, offering new opportunities for more efficient and secure CRUD operations. In conclusion, CRUD operations are the backbone of most database-driven applications, ensuring the smooth creation, retrieval, modification, and deletion of data. These fundamental operations provide a standardized way to interact with data, forming the foundation of how information is managed and manipulated in software systems. Mastering CRUD operations is essential for any developer working with data storage or databases, as they are crucial for building efficient, reliable, and secure applications. Whether you are handling user data, inventory systems, or any other form of persistent information, understanding and implementing these operations is key to ensuring proper data interaction and maintaining the integrity of the system. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to explore our channel for more content like this.